Core benefits of Azure Storage. Azure Storage is engineered to provide enterprise-grade reliability, global accessibility, and seamless developer experience while optimizing cost. Its benefits make it a preferred backbone for cloud-native systems, large-scale data platforms, and modern .NET application architectures like the ones you've explored earlier: CQRS, Mediator, microservices. 1. Massive scalability. Azure Storage can scale from kilobytes to petabytes of data without provisioning disks or upgrading hardware. This elasticity allows applications to handle unpredictable workloads, such as video uploads, analytics logs, or IoT device telemetry, without throttling performance. Scaling is automatic and built into the platform, which is crucial for systems expecting exponential data growth. 2. Industry-leading durability and high availability. Azure ensures 11/9 durability by replicating data multiple times depending on the redundancy configuration: LRS, ZRS, GRS, GZRS. Even if disks fail or a data center becomes unavailable, data remains safe and accessible. Availability is supported through multi-zone and multi-region replication, reducing downtime risk for mission-critical applications. 3. Global and secure access. Data is accessible over HTTPS from any geography, enabling distributed apps to serve users worldwide. Security is built in with automatic encryption at rest, AES 256, Azure AD role-based access, shared access signatures, SAS, firewalls, and private endpoints. Azure also supports managed identity, eliminating credential exposure in code, an important benefit when building secure ASP.NET Core services. 4. Multi-format flexibility. Azure Storage supports object storage, blob, shared file storage, Azure Files, messaging pipelines, queue, NoSQL structured data, table. This unified approach allows teams to avoid deploying separate storage systems for different data types, simplifying architecture. 5. Cost optimization and lifecycle management. With pay-only-for-usage billing, organizations avoid upfront infrastructure cost. Access tiers, hot, cool, archive, help reduce storage pricing based on usage frequency. Additionally, lifecycle policies can automatically move or delete data to prevent unnecessary cost accumulation. 6. Developer and integration-friendly. Azure Storage offers native SDK support, especially strong for .NET Core, making uploads, streaming, querying, and async task pipelines easy to implement. It integrates smoothly with services like Functions, Logic Apps, Databricks, AI Search, Event Grid, and CI/CD pipelines.